With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Let's start the question. So the question says that in HCP or CCP constituent, particles occupy 74% of the available space. The remaining space, that is 26% in between the spheres, remains unoccupied and is called interstitial voids or holes. Considering the close packing arrangement, each sphere is in the second layer, rests on the hollow space of the first layer, touching each other, and the void created is called tetrahedral void. If r is the radius of the sphere in the close pack arrangement, then r or radius of tetrahedral void is equals to 0.225 r. In a close packing arrangement, the interstitial voids formed by the combination of two triangular voids of the first and second layer is called octahedral void. Thus, double triangular void is surrounded by 6 spheres. The center of these spheres on joining forms octahedron. If r is the radius of the sphere in a close packed arrangement, then r radius of octahedral void is 0.414 r. In the spinel structure, oxide ions are cubic close pack, whereas 1/8 of tetrahedral voids are occupied by A2 plus cations and 1/2 of octahedral voids are occupied by B3 plus cation. The general formula of the compound having spinel structure. So the question is in the third paragraph, which says that in a close pack cubic or in a spinel structure, oxide ions are cubic close pack structure, whereas 1/8 of the tetrahedral void are occupied by A2 plus cation and 1/2 of the octahedral voids are occupied by B3 plus ion. Then we have to find out the general formula for the compound. So let's see the solution. First, oxide ion. So oxide ion occupies the cubic close pack structure. That means, so cubic close pack or CCP structure is like FCC. So we can say that in FCC, the atoms are in the face center and corner and face center. So if we calculate the values, then face center will be so number of face centers 6 into contribution of each face center is 1/2, so it will be 3, and total corner 8 and each contribution 1/8, so it will be 1. So after calculating it, we get Z equals to 4. So the oxide ion are present in the cubic close pack structure and the atoms per unit cell is 4. Now we can calculate the A2 plus cation. So A2 plus cation occupies 1/8 of tetrahedral void. 1/8 of tetrahedral void. And we know that tetrahedral void is 2 times of the Z value of the oxide ion. So it will become 4 into 2, that is 8. So if you put these values, then 1/8 into 8, it will be 1. So for A2 plus, the atoms per unit cell is 1. And for B3 plus, it occupies 1/2 or half of the octahedral void. So octahedral void is same as the Z value of cubic close pack structure. So octahedral void is 1/2 into 4, that is 2. So atoms per unit cell for B3 plus is 2. So now we can write the general formula, and it will be A, that is 1, B2 and O4. A1, B2, O4. Or we write it as AB2, O4. So the answer will be the second option. So this will be the correct answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.